Good morning. Today we are going to discuss relational operators. Relational operators are used to find the relation between two variables, that is, to compare the values of two variables in a C program. This table shows relational operators. So first relational operator is double equal sign. Checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Not equals. Checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If values are not equal, then the condition becomes true. Greater than. Checks if the values of left operand is greater than the values of the right operand. Next symbol is less than. Checks if the values of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. So double equal sign checks whether two operands are equal. Not equal sign checks two operands are not equal. Greater than sign checks whether left side operand is greater than the right side operand, and less than symbol sign is used to check left side operand is less than the right side operand. Also greater than or equal to checks if the values of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of the right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. In the next less than or equal to checks if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. Note: double equal sign should be used to compare two values, not single equal sign, because single equal sign is used for assignment operator. Let int a equal 20, int b equal to 10. A double equal b is not true because value of a is 20, value of b is 10. So this condition is not true. A not equal to b is true because your condition is a not equal to b. This is the true. A greater than b, 20 is greater than 10. This is the true. This condition is true. If a is less than b, this condition is not true. So we are comparing value of a with value of b. In a similar way, a greater than or equal to b is true because a is greater than b. One condition is true although it is not equal to b. A less than or equal to b is not true. Now let us discuss a example program and program for relational operator double equal sign in C. Now if we are having a program like this one, again in this program we start our discussion from the first statement, hash include standard input output.h file. So this hidden file is inserted to use the functions in our program that is stored in this file. Then main open and close parenthesis. Within open and close parenthesis we write our code that is called the body of the function, and body of the function always starts from the declaration of the variables. So int m equal to 20 comma n equal to 10. Using this statement, we declare the two integer variables m and n. Simultaneously, we assign their values. Now, if m equal n, so here if this is the condition whether the values of m equals 10, double equal sign is there. So if these two are same, then condition is true. Naturally at this point m equal to 20, n equal to 10, this is not true. So condition is false. So when condition is false, else part of if else statement is executed. So in else part we have to print the value, print m and n are not equal. So this message is to be printed on the output screen. So in this program, double equal sign is used to compare the value of m and n. If these are not same, then condition becomes false. So whenever this code is executed, output displayed is m and n are not equal. Note, double equal sign should be used to compare the two values because single equal sign is used for the assignment of the value to the variable. Second example, program for relational operator in C. So if we have a program like this one, so let us discuss this program. First statement we are familiar with, includes the standard input output dot h hidden file. Then integer main, open and close parenthesis. Then within open and close brace we write our code. So int x is equal to 12 comma y equal to 13 semicolon. Using these statement we declare the two integer variables x and y. Simultaneously initial values are set. X is set as a 12 and 13 is assigned to the variable y. Now next statement is printf. In quotation marks, x is equal to %d. So whenever format a string comes, compiler searches for the variable. So what is the value of the variable x? Here it is the 12. 12 gets printed at this point. Now next printf statement prints the value of y at this point. So y equal to 13 gets printed. Now printf x greater than y colon %d. So if this condition x greater than y colon %d, what is the value of x greater than y? Here x is 12 greater than 13. So this is the false. So while false means 0. 0 is printed at this point. Next is printf statement is x greater than or equal to y. Then %d, at this point value of this x greater than or equal to y gets printed. So x greater than or equal to y is false. So again 0 gets printed at this point. In the next printf statement, x less than y colon %d. So at this point value of x less than y, and here this condition is true. When condition is true, 1 is printed. So in this way, using the relational operator, what is the outcome of the relation between the two operands is printed. If this is the true, if condition is true, 1 is printed. If condition is false, then 0 is printed. Output is like this one. So value of x equal to 12, value of y equal to 13, and here the result of x greater than y, this is the false, so 0 gets printed here, and also in the next statement 0 gets printed. So in this way we see the use of the relational operators, that is for comparing the two variable values. Now let us discuss logical operators. So what are the logical operators? Logical operators are used to perform logical operations. These are used to evaluate two or more conditions. In general, logical operators are used to combine relational expressions, but they are not limited to just relational expression, but any kind of expression, even constants. There are three logical operators in C: logical AND, indicated by double ampersand sign, logical OR, parallel equal sign, and logical NOT. If the result of logical operator is true, then 1 is returned, otherwise 0 is returned. AND operator. So AND operator is indicated by the double ampersand sign. This operator gives the net result of true if both operands are true, otherwise false, that is 0. In AND operator, if the first operand evaluates to false, then the second operand is not evaluated at all. Program has include standard input output dot h file. So this statement includes this standard input output dot h file in our program. Then main open and close brace, this is the name of this function. Then within open and close brace, first statement is int a equal to 12 result. So using this statement, two variables are declared, variable a and variable result. Variable a is assigned a value of 12. The next statement is printf statement, initial value of a equals, at percentage d control string, here we print the value of variable a, and that is equal to 12. So initial value of a equal to 12 gets printed. Then result equals, this is the assignment operator. So what is written on the right side of the assignment operator, that is evaluated, and then its result is assigned to the variable on the left side of the assignment operator. So on right side of the assignment operator, in brackets, a equals 11 and a plus plus. So if a equals 11, here value of a is 12. So 12 equal to 11, this is the false. So if this condition is false, so once we find that in AND operator one condition is false, result of this AND operation is going to be false, that is 0. So 0 is assigned to the left side variable result. We don't bother about the second operand. Printf final value of a equals, so here naturally value of a, what is the value of a is gets printed at this point. Printf result of logical expression equal to, so what is the value of result, that is 0, 0 gets printed at this point. Then return 0 and at the end of the coding. So when this program is executed, initial value of A is printed, then final value of A is printed, and result of logical expression, that is 0, is gets printed. Now OR logical operator. So symbol is parallel lines. This operator gives the net result of true if at least one operand is true, otherwise false. So every operator has two operands. So in OR operator, if at least one operand is true, then result returned is true, that is 1, otherwise false. The most important thing about OR operator is that if the first operand evaluates to true, then the second operator is not evaluated. Program. Now again in this program we declare the two variables and assign the first variable a value of 10. Then printf initial value of A equals, what is initial value of A? That is 10. 10 gets printed at this point. Then next statement is result equal to A equals 10. So here value of A is 10 and it is equal to 10. So condition is true. So once condition in OR operator is found to be true, next condition is not checked. So its output result is always true, that is 1. So 1 is assigned to the left side variable result, and then we print this result using the printf statement. Final value of A equals, what is the value of A? That is here 10 is printed, and in the next statement result of logical expression equals, what is the value of result? That gets printed at this point, that is 1. So when program is run, we get the output like this one. Initial value of A is printed, that is 10. Then final value of A is printed, that is also 10, and result of logical expression, that is 0. Now let us discuss the third logical operator called NOT operator. The NOT operator negates the value of the condition. If the condition is false, then it becomes true. If it is true, then it becomes false. Unlike and OR operator, the NOT operator is unary because it takes only one operand, whereas and OR operator takes two operands. That's why these are called the binary operators, whereas NOT is the unary operator. Let us discuss a program. In this program again two variables are declared, A and result. A is assigned a value of 100. Next statement in this one is printf, and using printf statement initial value of A equals %d. So at this point what is the value of variable A gets printed, that is 100. So initial value of A equal 100 is printed at this point. Result equal A greater than 10. So A greater than 10, naturally 100 is greater than 10, this is true. So when true, 1 is assigned to the left side variable result. Again using the next statement, is A greater than 10 colon, and what is the value of result here? That is gets printed at this point. So value of result is naturally 1. So 1 is printed here. The next statement after applying NOT operator, printf is A greater than 10, then result. So we are applying the not operator. So not operator negates the value. If it is true, it becomes false. So here result is 1, that is true. So here at this point 0 is printed, not result. What is the value of result? Opposite to that one. So it was 1. So not 1, that is 0. 0 is gets printed here. So when this program is run, we get the output like this one. Initial value of a equals 100. Is a greater than 10? Naturally yes. That is 100 is greater than 10. 1 gets printed. After applying the not operator, is a greater than 10? It negates this value and output becomes now 0. So at this point, after talking about the three logical operators, we end our class. So till next class, bye and have a nice day.